Hello students, so today we talked about the concept of conversion of that is infix to prefix postfix conversion. Before that we should know what is exactly expression is, what is exactly infix postfix expression, what exactly priority table, then algorithm for conversion. Okay, so now we start the introduction part. So in this presentation, we are going to read about how to convert infix expression to postfix expression with the help of stack. Okay. So before that, we starting. I must say thanks for making this wonderful presentation. So I'm accessing that presentation. Fine. So what exactly the stack is? The stack is a linear data structure in which item may be inserted and deleted at the one end, that is called as a top is. Okay, that we have seen. Okay, the operational meaning of stack is LIFO, means last in, first out. Okay, so it is a reverse of Q, that is Q is for FIFO and the stack is LIFO. Fine. This means the last element is inserted into the stack. Stack is the first element to be removed. Okay, so this is the concept of what stack is that we have seen. Fine. So what is exactly expression is? Expression is nothing but the combination of operand and operands and operator that represents a value. Okay, so operands are values and operators are symbols. Okay, that represents particular action is. Okay, so for example, if you are taking there are operands are values, we can say that that is a and b, these are two values we can say in example here, so you can easily understand the concept of it. Okay, so first of all, a and b is what highlighting here. So a and b is what values, or we can say that it is the operand, and the operator, that is plus, star, minus, division, these are what the operator. So expression is a combination of operand and operators. Okay, so we'll see in detail what exactly the operation is. Fine. So next is there is a basic concept of what infix expression, because according to infix expression we are converting it is in postfix or either prefix. Okay, so this expression is common expression for writing arithmetic expression. In infix expression, the binary operator symbol is placed between its two operands. Okay, in the title says that there is two operands are given in which the operator is present. Okay, so in fix, so we are fixing the operator in between two operands. Okay, for example, here the a plus b, the a and b, these two operands are there in which operators we are using, that is plus. If you are talking about the p and q, p q is operands and operator we are using the star here. Similarly, likewise you can see the example of it. Okay, fine. Now this is what the infix expression is. Fine. So next will be the concept is what postfix expression. No doubt the title says that the postfix means first of all we have to represent operators, then operands will present. Okay, sorry, there is a, first of all there is a combination of what post means, this is the last position we are storing the operator. First of all, operand must place. Okay, so in this expression the binary operator symbol place after its two operands. Okay, so always remember that for performing any operation using the operator, there are two operands should be there and one operator is given between these two operators. Okay, so this expression is also called as a reverse polish expression. It is also called as reverse polish expression, and it doesn't require parentheses to determine the order of precedence. Yes, there is no required parenthesis according to the order, because we are taking the priority table here, then you can easily understand that if you are starting rounded bracket started and rounded bracket end means that the priority goes to that brackets only. Okay, so that we'll see in detail. Okay, so this is what the priority table is, so you can easily understand the priority table here. Fine. So first of all, the first priority, that is unary operator, that is plus, minus. Okay, these are the priority level we can say. Second priority, that is basically priority is given to the raise to operator. Okay, so raise to operator it comes, it gives the highest priority in compared to plus and minus. Okay, then division and multiplication. Okay, so division and multiplication having the highest priority as compared to plus and minus. Okay, after that the priority goes to the less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Okay, after that the priority gives equal to operator, not equal to operator, then the double ampersand operator and and condition and or condition. Okay, so this is what the priority table, you can easily understand that which operator having highest priority given while conversion into infix to prefix or either infix to postfix. Okay, these operators are very important, so we must clear the priority of this operator is. Okay, fine. So next will be, we are taking one algorithm or taking one example for conversion part. Okay, so first of all, here the, let's say the postfix expression Q is the infix expression. This algorithm find the equivalent postfix expression P. Okay, so postfix expression convert karna hai, so it should first Q. Q means our infix expression. We have to convert into the postfix. Okay, so first we concentrate on the algorithm. Okay, so what is algorithm? Step one, take an empty stack. Okay, first of all we have to take empty stack here. Step two, push the bracket, gives the rounded bracket to stack S and add this one to given infix expression. Okay, then then after that step 3 is scan infix expression for left to right. Always remember that for conversion of infix to postfix, first of all we have to scan left to right and repeat that step. Okay, then step 4 to 7 for each element of infix expression until stack is empty. So we are going to check it, scan infix expression from left to right. So how it is, we'll concentrate on that part here. Fine, so we'll go to the next slide here. Okay, then step 4 here, if an operand is encountered, then add it to postfix expression. So how exactly, if operand is present or operand is encountered, then add it into the postfix expression, that we need to see using one example. And step 5, if left parenthesis is encountered, push into the stack. So what exactly it is, we'll see using one example. Okay, fine. So step 6 it will be, if an operator is encountered, then what will happen? Repeatedly the pop from the stack. Again, I am revising this step here. This is very important. If an operator is encountered, I am talking about the plus, minus, division, star operator is encountered, then repeatedly pop from the stack and add to the postfix expression. And each operator which has same or as highest precedence than the scan operator. Okay. And the B part is push the scan operator to stack end of step of if structure. Okay, so we have to scan it. Fine, so we'll clear all this part now here, so we can easily understand this part. Okay, then step 7, if the right parenthesis is encountered, then what will happen? The right parenthesis is given, so repeatedly pop from stack and add to postfix expression until a left parenthesis is encountered. Okay, again I'm revising here. Step 7, if the right parenthesis is encountered, then repeatedly pop from stack and add to postfix expression until a left parenthesis is encountered. Okay, and this case B, there is remove the left parenthesis from stack, means end of step of 7 if structure and end of the loop. Okay, and then after that we have to exit that algorithm. Okay, so according to that we have seen what are the steps we are going to follow for conversion of infix to postfix. Now we focus on the example here, so you can easily understand that. So here Q is our infix expression is, the infix expression is minus a plus c star uh, s- rounded bracket star d minus e bracket complete raised to b plus t c minus f. Okay, this is our expression is. Okay, so no doubt this is infix expression, we have to convert in postfix expression. Okay, so we have to scan the item one by one. Okay, so we read that the concept that if it, first of all we have to enter, this is from left to right. Okay, so execution start from left to right. So first of all we have to encounter in stack, that is rounded bracket. So we are entering it the stack into rounded bracket. Okay, then the first because first we have to insert into the left parenthesis. Fine, then a is what, then second input. So we have to first make this table, that is which scan which one by one item we have to scan from this infix expression. Okay, and which element we are going to store into the stack. After that our output screen, or we can say that the postfix expression. Okay, so this is our output part. So this is called as what, here is our output is present. Okay, so this is very important concept. Okay, so this is output expression we are going to show here. Okay, so हमें ये तीन कॉलम बनाने पड़ेंगे. स्कैनिंग द इनपुट, देन स्टैक में क्या एलिमेंट जाएगा, देन पोस्टफिक्स एक्सप्रेशन. ओके, so this is what conversion of infix to postfix. Fine, so no doubt we know that first we enter into the stack the left parenthesis that we are inserting into it. After that our first item element or first operand encounter into the string, that is a. Okay, a is what, our first operand. So वैसे operand आएगा, it should be display in output screen. So a will be come here. Okay, after that second is a plus. Plus is a operator. So no doubt when operator comes into the string or input string, it should be placed into the stack. Okay, so stack में क्या चला गया, plus sign. Okay, plus operator is pushed into the stack and output string as it is, that is a. Okay, after that c present. So no doubt again there is a second operator is present. So sorry, a second operand is present. So no doubt it is directly placed into the output screen, that is AC. Okay, and here our remaining stack is plus sign is given. Fine, after that next uh, operator encounter into the string, that is star. So no doubt star should be pushed onto the stack. Okay, so here our stack is in horizontal way. Okay, मतलब stack में let's say stack का top का रहेगा, this is zero location पे round open parenthesis है, this is one location, this is two location, means the second location we are going to store the star. So we are representing stack in हॉरिजेंटल वे. ओके, सो अभी स्टैक के टॉप में कौन है, स्टार है लाइकवाइज. ओके, आफ्टर दैट so we are storing into the pushing into the element, that is star operator, into the stack and our output string as it is. Okay, that is AC. Fine, now the next rounded bracket comes into the picture. So the rounded bracket open parenthesis is gone. So we have to push into the stack में चला गया, then the output string as it is. Okay, now the next element, that is d means our next operand is. So no doubt operand directly placed into the output string, we cannot put into the stack, we have to put the operator only. Okay, now the next element is, next is minus operator. So again minus operator pushed into the stack, output string as it is. Okay, now the next came, that is e. E is again the operand. So no doubt operand will be directly displayed on the output string. So next will be the ACDE, our output string. Now the next will be the right left parenthesis completed, bracket completed. So no doubt here what will happen, when close bracket came at that time, it's not putted into the stack, we have to pop the topmost element of stack. Okay, so जैसे complete rounded bracket आएगा, we are not inserting into stack, we have seen in algorithm that we have to pop topmost element of the stack. So according to this step, what is the topmost element, let's say this is zeroth location store, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So now our current top pointings to minus sign. So no doubt it should be popped from the stack. So stack में से minus sign आके कहाँ चला जाएगा, it should be popped onto the output string. So यहाँ पे output आ गया ACD be minus. Okay, so the likewise we have represented it. So this rule is very very important, that is you should know here. Okay, so when rounded or complete a parenthesis is come into the string, so we have to pop topmost element and displayed or store into the output string. Okay, so next will be the raise to operator. So raise to operator, no doubt it is having the highest priority, no doubt, and it should be placed into the stack. So operator will be there, that we have to push into the stack. There is no change in output string. Okay, now the next bracket came into picture, that is rounded bracket is started. It should be placed into the stack. Okay, and then no need to there is no change in output string, it is as it is. Okay, the next, that is the output expression we can say. Okay, so next come into the picture, that is next b is operand. So no doubt we when operand come, it directly displayed on the postfix expression on output screen, that is B. Okay, no change in stack. Okay, the next is plus sign came. Plus sign means plus operator came. So no doubt plus operator should be placed into the stack of top. Stack का top का point करेगा यहाँ पे, and the plus sign we pushed into the stack. There is no change in output postfix expression. Okay, so these half part we have completed here. Now we'll continue this example again. Okay, so now we focus only C bracket complete and minus F is remaining. So we'll check here. Just see, we revise previous output, that is B, the last in output, that is operator displayed on postfix screen. Okay, so next scan item, that is C. We have to scan the C. Again the story same. C means our, what is the C? C is what? Operand. So it directly placed into the output string, that is it gives here, that is C is displayed on postfix expression. Then rounded bracket close parenthesis comes. Okay, this we can say that it is a right parenthesis comes. Then what will happen in this case, when close parenthesis come, we know that that stack topmost element we have to popped from the stack. Okay, so previous step we can say that this is the topmost element of stack. Stack के top में value क्या है अभी? The value, that is operator we are storing, that is plus. So it should be popped from the stack and displayed, and it come into the output string. So no doubt it comes into the here. So output postfix expression में वो display हो जाएगा. Okay, so now the next operator is that is next will be what? Minus. Okay, so there is one important part here, that is when this bracket came into the picture. Okay, then rounded bracket came, so we have to pop all the element. Okay, so we can see that no doubt we see that the plus operator came into the picture. Fine, so when plus operator came, this is a close bracket, so we have to pop all the ऑपरेटर्स फ्रॉम द स्ट्रिंग. ओके, जो स्टैक में जितने भी ऑपरेटर्स रहेंगे वो सबको हमें क्या करना है? पॉप्ट करना है. सो नो डाउट देन दिस प्लस केम. ओके, फर्स्ट प्लस केम, देन टॉप माइनस माइनस, देन रेस्ट टू ऑपरेटर केम. ओके, देन विच ऑपरेटर, देन ये देखो, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस प्लस केम हियर, देन क्लोज ब्रैकेट है तो सारे के सारे ऑपरेटर क्या हो जाएंगे? पॉप्ट हो जाएंगे स्टैक में से. देन रेस्टो ऑपरेटर केम, देन स्टार ऑपरेटर केम, देन प्लस ऑपरेटर केम. ओके, सो लाइकवाइज वी हैव पॉप्ड ऑल दिस ऑपरेटर फ्रॉम द स्टैक. मीन्स क्लोज ब्रैकेट आता है तो जितने स्टैक के अंदर एलिमेंट है दैट वी हैव टू popped here. Okay, and the raise to operator, it is highest priority, so that we have to pop all this element. Okay, now after that the minus sign came, so no doubt after popping it, again the next uh, string scan item, that is a minus operator. So no doubt operator it should be placed into the stack. Okay, and after that the f is what? F is operand. So again we have to place it into the output screen. Fine. Then lastly, that is minus sign is present into the stack. So we have to pop it, and we are popping it here. So here our stack is empty now. Okay, so according to that we have seen the infix to postfix expression. This is our output string. That is, you can check it is a b c e. The in postfix expression, operand comes first, then operator comes, operand come first, then operator comes. So this is our the output string case. Okay, so I hope everyone clear the concept of the conversion of infix to postfix here. Okay, so thank you dear students for watching this video, and subscribe my channel dear students. Thank you. Thanks once again. Don't forget to subscribe.